75 years of rich legacy in audio, JBL definitely knows how to upgrade their game, especially when it comes to cool gadgets. And this time around, we have got the JBL Tour One M2 or the JBL Tour One Mark II, which is their premium category headphone, which is loaded with tons of features. And in this video, we are going to check more about this product. But before we begin, let me introduce myself. Hello everyone, my name is Tanmay Mehta, your home cinema consultant or home theatre wale bhaiya. And like always, through this channel, we continue to educate you more about the hi-fi gadgets which can be used in the home technologies or in the residential spaces. And in case you have not subscribed to our channel, then make sure to subscribe to it right now so that you and I can stay connected for more such valuable and information based videos which will help each one of you make better, well-informed and wise decisions. So this is the cool JBL Tour One M2 that we have got, and as you can see, the box is pretty exciting. You have got a special box inside which just slides up, and it mentions design to inspire. Inside this we got this carry case, and the best part about this box is that you have got everything that you need to check about this product in right mentioned over here. Also, the QR code makes it easy for accessing the manuals directly from your smartphones. These are the headphones right tucked inside over here, and this is good hard case which can be perfect for carrying around while you're traveling. JBL Tour One M2 works on the backend technology of Harman Curve. Harman Curve, which is the sound signature tonality that Harman has developed, and they claim that it sounds very much identical in how normal speakers would sound in a closed room environment. And they try to give you the same experience with their headphones, and they have obviously upgraded these for their in-ear as well as on-ear range since 2012. Known for its rich audio quality and tonality, JBL Tour One M2 can be worn comfortably for longer hours due to its sleek and stylish design. At the same time, if you are movie buffs, you would want to enjoy special audio with this headphone, and in case you want to enjoy music for longer hours, then with the high-res audio compatibility, this can be your go-to product. Now let's check out our team's review on this product. Shraddha. Hi Shraddha. Shraddha.
Hi.
Okay, tell me how's the headphone? Are you enjoying it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now are you enjoying it? Can you enjoy it now?
Yeah.
Are you still enjoying it?
Yeah.
Okay. How's the comfort?
It's amazing.
Okay. If at all you had 25 grams to dispose, would you buy this headphone?
Maybe. I will.
Okay. Thank you. Adaro, can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. Tell me which is your favorite equalizer mode on this headphone?
Also bass.
Okay. So let's play something for you in bass. Okay.
Yeah.
Can you enjoy the song now? Can you hear me now?
I can't hear you, but the bass is really crisp.
Okay. Now tell me one thing. That's okay. You'll have to remove it. Let me put it on top too. Okay. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. Tell me one thing. If at all this headphone you had 25 grams, would you buy this?
Yeah, for the comfort and the noise reduction, yeah. I was getting.
विशाल आवाज आ रहा है? नहीं, नहीं आ रहा है. अच्छा मेरे को बात बताओ, वो कस्टमर का क्या हो गया? नहीं आ रहा है, झूठ बोल रहा है, ये बहुत बड़ा झूठ है. अभी आ रहा है विशाल आवाज? हाँ, so this is when you put on the talk through mode, you get to listen. एक बात बताओ, 25,000 रुपए में ये कंफर्टेबल हेडफोन्स क्लाइंट के साथ बात करने के लिए क्या आप लोगे?
For sure.
Thank you. Three things that everybody looks for in headphones today is the active noise cancellation, the second one is the smart talk or a talk through feature, and the third one is ambient awareness. Now JBL has got their own patented technology of true adaptive noise cancellation. The second one is the customizable ambient sound control, and the third one is a talk through feature or a smart talk feature wherein the music would get on the lower levels and the background volume levels will increase. One of the crazy technologies that JBL has given in the Tour One M2 headphones is the AI powered 4 beamforming mics which eliminate the background noise as well as the echo so that you can have the call quality in a very superior manner. Now I know you would have your own doubts for it, which even I did, but there are some tests that we did and here's how it went. So we are in the theater room right now and we are going to turn on the home theater and take the call at the same time to see if it can eliminate all the background score. Okay, so I turn on the ambient sound control, and I hope Pooja can hear me clear on the other side, and all the other sounds she is not able to hear it that clearly. Now this is with the ambient sound on, and with the ambient sound off. This is how it is going to sound on the other side. So we are right now standing on the main road outside our office, and you can see that there's so much of background noise of the traffic out here. So let us see if all this background noise gets eliminated while we put on the call. Hey Pooja, I hope you can hear me clearly now. Now this is with the sound mode on, that is the ambient noise control on, and this is how the sound is going to be when I put the sound control off. Now obviously headphones like these will come with the app support, not just to control the music or the sound quality, but also to enhance the performance. And the JBL Headphone App is one single page app wherein all the features are very prominently listed, which you can configure to the best of your use. The first one, which is my personal favorite, is the Personify. Now Personify 2.0 is the second version of Personify, by the way, from JBL, which aims to calibrate your ears according to the headphones. And what I mean by calibration, well, for all the home theater enthusiasts, you know how the home theater calibrations are done by different sounds coming from different speakers at different frequency levels. And JBL does the same thing with an 18-point calibration test on your left ear as well as on your right ear. And with that, the sound quality surely goes to the next level. The second feature that I loved is the left-right balancing. So there are few people wherein, the left and the right balancing in terms of audio reception is different, and that is where it really works in their favor. The third feature is the voice assistant. Now, because I'm using an Apple phone, I could easily connect to Siri using the phone. And for those of you who are using Android, they can connect to the Google Assistant or the Amazon Alexa Assistant. Another cool feature which you can configure to the best of your use is the gesture control. Now the headphones have got buttons on these surfaces, and these can be configured based upon single tap, double tap, long press, or just a single tap. And all these gestures are there on the app again. Now second last cool feature that I would like to highlight in the headphone app is the graphic equalizer. We all know that how graphic equalizer is a necessity, especially while listening to music. And while JBL has given their own presets which are pretty decent, but at the same time you can create a preset or a EQ which adjusts to your particular sound signature. And the last feature is for those of you who use specs and want to still get the best of the active noise cancellation, because JBL has got leakage compensation. So in case you put on the headphone and your specs are going to leak some of the sound, it will program the audio quality in a manner wherein this leakage will be compensated to. With 25 movies, which you can watch back to back on these headphones, the 50-hour battery backup without ANC is definitely mind-boggling. And at the same time, even if you turn on the ANC, you can still enjoy 15 movies which are of 2 hours. And in case you are still running out of battery and you need to do a quick charge of 10 minutes, it can still give you 5 hours of complete playback support. 4 reasons why I feel that JBL Headphone Tour One M2 can be the best partner for you is the cool, amazing design, which is very, very comfortable to wear for longer hours. The second one is the cutting edge technology that JBL promises to deliver. The third one is the super premium feel that JBL delivers with these headphones. And the last one, which is my favorite, is the long list of features that JBL Headphone App delivers with the Tour One M2 headphones. Priced at MRP 35 grand, but right now retailing at 25,000 rupees, I think JBL Tour One M2 can be a very much steal deal at this very moment. With 2 devices connection at the same time and the Bluetooth version of 5.3, which is one of the latest versions, and a very, very lightweight of 270 grams, JBL Tour One M2 is definitely going to be with me for the next 1 year for sure. And in case you have got some amazing cool headphones to compare this with, or you have already tested and bought this, then let us know in the comments below. And for those of you who haven't yet subscribed to our channel, don't forget to do that right now so that you and I can stay connected. And I, Tanmay Mehta, your home cinema consultant or home theater wale bhaiya, will see you again in the next video. Thank you so much.
सर वीडियो हो गया? क्या ANC है यार?